Do you imagine that the knowledge of one can send ripples through the markets? That your views of the economy can become my inspiration? Do you imagine that posting your opinions can even change price trends? We have been market makers and disruptors for over 100 years. To all bloggers, analysts, traders, from the bulls to the bears, you who cares only about the fundamental factors, interest rates, GDP data, politics, natural disasters, or you who just focus on the technicals, support, resistance, patterns, trends, you with 1 million followers and you with just one, to the one who's been blogging for years and you who will start tomorrow, 2013. Be one of the 7 bloggers to open the eyes of other investors to the markets you see and help shape the trade ideas of thousands of people using just the power of words. Join the Who Trades Blogstar Competition 2013.